Ever wonder which airplane holds the title for the fastest? It's not a commercial jet, but a military one. The NASA X-43, an unmanned experimental hypersonic aircraft, is the speed demon. It reached a record-breaking speed of Mach 9.6. That's 7,300 miles per hour. Let that sink in. This feat was accomplished back in November 2004. Since then, no other aircraft has managed to top it. The X-43 uses a scramjet engine, which is air-breathing, contrasting with the rocket engines that most high-speed aircrafts use. The need for speed isn't just for the ground or water, it's for the air too. Fascinating, isn't it? Remember, the sky's not the limit, it's just the beginning. Until next time, stay curious.